Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another paper pumpkin alternative video on my YouTube channel and blog. If you're new to my channel, I want to say hi. This video will share alternative projects to stretch your paper pumpkin supplies. If you don't know what paper pumpkin is, click the link in the description box below and check it out. So come along with me as I attempt to create out of the box. Hello friends, welcome back to the paper pumpkin alternative for the June kit called Life is Sweet. This is my third card from the kit, and the previous video will show that I have a ripped card front, and so this card front I'm trying to rip into waves, let's say. Like undulating sort of up and down motion. So, and speaking of the last video, you guys, thanks so much for commenting. I gotta say, I get a kick out of your comments. I answer each and every one of them. I really appreciate you reaching out and talking to me. At least I know that at least 5 people are watching the video. So thank you so very much. So this is a basic white card base here. I have a little bit of that Shy Shamrock on my blending brush from the last card or the last card I did, and I am sort of doing a little stripe there in the center. Then I'm going to come in with Summer Splash, which is the in color blue, and I am going to create sort of a sky. So this is like a horizon. So and the card front is going to be an ocean, and those little peaches. You guys, the peaches are going to become fishes. So don't ask me, right? Like where my brain goes. Okay, so I'm going to cut some of these leaves out of their frame, and they're going to become seaweed. And I'm going to share my little hack. I do little hacks all the time, so I might call them out, but here I'm calling this one out. So that is my silicone craft sheet. That is my tweezers from the, what's it called? The Embossing Additions toolkit or something. And I just tap on the glue, especially on something that has like holes in it and stuff. The thing is, the green glue or like the Tombow glue, we call it, Stampin' Up calls it the multi-purpose glue. If it is left to dry, it will become repositionable. And if it's like, even if you mail the card and you got a little schmutz of glue there, the card's gonna stick to your envelope. So when I am using, I don't want to put dry adhesive on this, and it's too hard to put like an adhesive sheet on this because that's going to be super sticky. This is one of the best ways to do it. You just sort of tap the leaf in. It little does a lot, you guys. You wouldn't think. Okay, so here I'm going to start my fishies. I'm making sort of like little heart shapes, little lips for my they're going to be goldfish. Yep. I actually contemplated today, when I was in the pet store getting catnip for the kitties, I thought, it would be kind of cool to have fish again. It's been a long time I've had fish. I called it the X-File because every once in a while fishes would go missing. Pretty much only if you're millennial, or sorry, if you're Gen X, you probably get that reference. But yeah, they went missing. Anyway. Let's not talk about that. That's sad. So here are the little fishy lips. And then I am actually going to use the seaweed here and just like one leaf. And I'm going to make a little green, what kind of fin? It's a fin, but arterial. I don't know. That sounds good. That sounds right. But a little side fin for my little fishies. And then I'm going to adhere them with mini dimensionals, or just like dimensionals cut from the bones of the dimensional sheet. And I'm sticking them on my little make-believe ocean. Funny, hey? Like, who would have thunk? Okay, so I used that hello and put dimensionals on that. And then I used the small version of the adhesive back pearls, and I'm sticking them on my my fish. Oh my god, they're so stupid. Can you not, like, honestly, they're so silly. I like it. Okay, and then I missed that they all look blind right now, so I had to go in. I had to go in with a blends marker and put like a pupil in the fish. I don't know. I don't even eat fish, you guys. I don't even like eating fish. I don't know what their eyeballs really look like. Anyway, we're just going to make do and pretend, that this all worked out. Sorry, I just think it's so silly. Okay, so, and that pretty much is my card for today. I did end up, this one fell out onto the table, so I figured it needed to go, and I stuffed it under the hello. Anyway, I've got the giggles. It's pretty late at night, so I hope you have a lovely rest of your week. I am hoping to get 3 alternatives for the next paper pumpkin this week, so stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.